Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out on Facebook. Just wanted to put this quick video review together for you, kind of give you some free tips and tricks, a little attack plan on how to outrank your competition online. I'm going to go over three things: content, citations, and backlinks, so we'll get into what those are. Looking down through the page, the overall layout and everything looks great, but there's not a ton of content here. Google is really looking for about 1,500 words on this home page and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. So you can organically fit those keywords and keyword phrases people are typing into Google into the content on your page. That is the fastest and easiest way for Google to find those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are searching for. I've got a couple of the local guys pulled up. This one here is fishwindowcleaning.com/Portland. So this is actually one of their back service pages. It's a location page specifically designed to target the Portland area. So this page should have about 500 to 750 words on it. Going down through here and looking, they're probably fairly close to that with a couple of paragraphs that they have, but they're still probably a little bit short. If we go over here and look, this is one of the other guys that I found. Again, not a bad looking layout. It's got some content in here. By the time you add it all up, he may have 1,000 words on there, but he's probably still short of that 1,500 mark. And like I said, it's not the only way to get keywords on your site, but it is the fastest and easiest way for Google to find them. This is Ahrefs. This is one of the paid tools that we use, and currently you're showing up for 35 keywords, and we can go in here and see what those are. You've got your company name here, but these are the type of keywords that I like to see. It's window cleaning Portland. There's 150 people a month searching for that. You're currently in the 10th position, and you're getting about 4 people a month coming to your website because of it. So you're right there at the bottom of the first page. So you're right on the verge of really getting up there. Generally, the number one spot is going to get about 1/3 of that traffic. So the number one spot right here is going to get about 50 visits a month. You've got window cleaning Portland, Oregon. 100 people a month searching for it. You're in the 10th place. Portland window cleaning. So you've got the right type of keywords. I call them the generic keywords because they say what you do and where you do it. And that's what people are typing in when they're looking, and you can see that from the search volume here. If we go over and look at a couple of the other guys, like I said, this is their back page, so the keywords and stuff, they're pulling some power from their home page. But again, we've got, window cleaning Portland OR. They're in the 2nd position for both of those. So as you can see, the difference in your searches and traffic being at the 10th position compared to theirs being in the 2nd position. So they're getting 24 hits a month to their website from one of those keywords and 15 from the other. So you're definitely hitting the right type of keywords. We just need to get you bumped up there a little bit better. If we go over here and look at this guy, he's got 135 keywords. I'm sure he's going to have some of the same. He's in the 3rd and the 4th position for those same 2 keywords. So you guys are all in the right area. You've got the right type of keywords on the site. We just want to get you bumped up there a little bit. The second thing would be citations, and you're killing it on this aspect. Right here, this is the Google Map Pack, and you are number 1 in the Map Pack organically, which is awesome. Citations are one of the biggest factors in getting there and staying there. What a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number listed exactly the way it is on your Google My Business page in multiple directories across the internet. There's Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Merchant Circle. There's hundreds and hundreds of these directories out there. It's just a matter of tracking them down, signing up for them, and getting your information put in there. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to go on here. Make sure you stay ahead of the guy below you. Some of the other factors are going to be your star rating, the number of reviews that you have, how many pictures you have on your Google My Business page, whether or not it is 100% completely filled out, and if it's all properly optimized. Those are all little aspects to get into this map pack, but citations are one of the biggest ones. And like I said, you're doing really well there. You're showing up number 1 in the map pack, so that's great. If we go back here, the third thing are your backlinks. Currently, it's showing that you have 486 backlinks coming from 79 referring domains. Well, what a backlink is, it's any other website that has a link back to yours. So like some of those directories, if I were to find your listing in there and there's something in there that I can click on that takes me to your website, that's a backlink. It's kind of a popularity contest. The more you have, the more popular Google thinks you are, and the more authority they're going to give your page. Not all backlinks are created equal. You do want to avoid the spammy type of backlinks, but like I said, some of your citations will give you backlinks. There's blog commenting that you can do, guest posting on blogs. There's lots of ways to get backlinks. If you're going to go the blog route, do try to keep them industry specific, because those are going to pass more of the right type of power to your page. You know, right here, looking at these guys, it's only showing 24, but like I said, this is one of their back pages, so they're pulling power from your home page. So we can back out of here and just do their main home page, and you'll see the difference in, you know, kind of what they're pulling. See, they've got 49,000 backlinks coming from 962 referring domains, which is why their Portland page is showing up the way it is. They're pulling power from this main home page right here. You know, looking over here, these guys have 191 coming from 33 referring domains. So we can go in and see what they've got and basically go through here. And even with the guy that's got 48,000, we can go through and look at those too. But go in here and see where these guys are getting their backlinks from. Check the quality and the authority of the backlinks and what type of power they're passing. And go into these same websites and get those same type of backlinks for you. I call it the copycat method. You know, copy the guys that are winning, see what they got, take what we can from them, go out and find some more on our own, beat them at their own game. That is my basic overview for you. You know, I hope it helps you out. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.